Oy Vey. Check out my 2 videos on Dominos. In this video segment, Dominos gave up all of its highs. It went down to literally unchanged. According to this video, Oy Vey, it gave it all up. It got discombobulated. So check out this video for more information. Oy Vey. So, when we look at the trend, as you can see, as Tacos was discussing in his video, he was talking about, could this possibly be the support line for a reversal from the total massive discombobulation? But guess what? Guess what, you guys? While Tacos was busy putting that video together and uploading the video, guess what? He forgot to set up the trade at the support line here. That's what Tacos did. He forgot. All because he was busy doing the video for you. And let's take a look at what's happening with Dominos. Oy Vey. Let's open this up. Okay, so we got the support lines, we got the trend lines. Yeah, to reiterate, but of course, my friends, being that this is my shtiklach, what do we have to do? We have to do the disclaimer because this is my shtiklach. Disclaimer: this video presentation is for entertainment and educational purposes only. It is not investment advice. Consult your licensed, certified financial advisor, financial planner, stockbroker, registered with the FINRA, SEC, and SIPC for all of your investment and consultation advice. Always remember, past performance is no guarantee of future results, so therefore nothing herein discussed is etched in stone and subject to change of market forces and volatility. Thank you. Alright, my friends, so back to the 5-minute chart. Now, as you can see, as I had been discussing, right? It failed to hold the VWAP here, it got discombobulated. It failed to hold this VWAP, it got discombobulated. It failed to hold this VWAP, it got discombobulated. Eventually it started trending below the VWAP here, but then ultimately it found support here at the VWAP. And this was the support line, as we can see, with the trend lines here as the hypotheticals, right? It broke all the hypotheticals, eventually found support here at the VWAP. But like Tacos had said, he forgot to put the trade on because he was busy putting the video together for you guys. Oy Vey. Let's close this out. Alright, so let's see what the dome is doing. There's roughly about 35 minutes left in the trading day till the bell closes. About 35 minutes left till the close. And yeah. So yeah, that's the trend lines. Those are the momentums. But it's down bigly since the candle's high. It's down like really bigly. So let's take a look at it just to reiterate. What was the candle's high? Let's go to the day. So the candle's high on the day, 406.31. And the low, 397.14. That's a bigly move down. That's bigly. That's bigly, you guys. Bigly. But like Tacos had said, it ultimately found the support it needed at this level here. And then it tried to come back bigly and made this nice buck and change move. But I forgot to put the trade on. Alright, my friends, since we have about, a half hour till the bell closes, I'm going to pause the video here and I'll do some stuff behind the scenes. Then I'll come back and I'll wrap up this video. I will wrap up this 3-part series looking at Dominos, and that will be the end of it. So, catch you guys later, my friends. Catch you guys later. Alright, so I'm back. So because I missed out on this reversal here from the support line, trend line, like I had been discussing in my previous videos, alright? So I shorted here and I took profit here at the failed VWAP breakout. Alright, so let's take a look at it. So, as you can see, Tacos is 2 for 2 for Dominos. Went short here. Dominos came back here, took a short here for Dominos, as he just discussed, and yeah, he's 2 for 2.